Welcome, guys. Welcome to the next part of our second unit, that is hacking and the hacker ethics. Now, when we talk about these kinds of things in our professional ethics, they the hacking and the hackers are having their own existence in this world of internet. Okay, now we'll see step by step, that is who is hacker. When we talk about the hacker, the definition, or we'll call it as an informal definition, the hackers are the computer enthusiasts who loves computer and spend hours and hours figuring out things how to do the clever things with them. I mean, these are the people who tries to engage themselves with the computers and trying to find the solutions for everything, or try to search new things over the internet, might be legally or illegally. Means if you are entering someone's house, it is obviously the illegal things over the internet. That's why these are the person who try to explore everything over the internet, try to get the things from the internet, try to use that things from the internet. Okay, so these are the peoples. Okay, the hackers are referred to the person who engage in the behavior that attacks the internet, and hacking refers to the activity. Okay, or we can say that the hacker referred to a computer enthusiast, and the hacking referred to the feats such enthusiasts were able to accomplish. Hackers are the individual who loved computers and would spend hours and hours figuring out how to do clever things with them. Usually, hackers are the young men or the young maximum men who had acquired a good deal of knowledge about the computers, and they shared the knowledge with the one another through the first communication. Okay, this is the basic thing, or we can say that these are the basic things related to the hackers. Okay, means the hacker and the hacking are routinely used to refer to those who gain unauthorized access and accomplish the other disruptive feed. Means when we talk about something without permission, it is always called as the illegal things, and these are the people who do illegal things over the internet. Now moving to the next part, that what is hacking. Okay, we had seen who actually the hacker is. Now what actually the hacking? The term hacking refers to the subset of illegal behaviors that involve unauthorized access and aim at disruption and damage. Such act undermine the security and integrity of internet. Okay, intentionally, such as intentionally sending viruses or the worms that damage the computer system, the denial of service attack, and the unauthorized taking control of the website. All these types of activities comes under the title, that is hacking. Okay, means the hacking is to enter someone's home without permission. That entering to the someone's home is the hacking. Okay, so when we talk about the hacking, everything what is happening over the internet illegally is the subset of the hacking. When we talk about the transactions happening over the internet, if someone is try to steal money from your bank account, there are so many things which he had to break to make this successful. But if these are the things done, then this will be called as the hacking, because we know that the current transaction system in our country is depend online. That's why the hacking refer to the illegal entry of any kind of system to steal any kind of data, to any kind of information, to perform any kind of thing to the others thing. Okay, so these are called as the hacking. Means the definition says hacking is now routinely used to refer the subset of the illegal activities and behavior which involves unauthorized access to and aim at disruption and damage. Okay, this is what, or this is, we can say that the basic thing which is called as the hacking. Now, after talking about the hacker and the hacking, the next term comes into picture, that is the ethical thing. We know that when we see the hacking, on every angle the hacking is the illegal thing happening over the internet. It is legal only if, I'm talking about the hacking, the hacking is become legal only if the owner of the system invites you to hack his system. Okay, we know that in our in today's world of IT, there are so many companies or so many software owners invites you to check the security or the vulnerability of their software. They invites so many hackers to check the vulnerability. They conduct the competitions of hacking to hack these kinds of software. That is why in this case the hacking only become legal. The remaining cases, whatever is there, all are unethical things when we talk about the hacking. Okay, are you getting this? See, if you are the owner and if you are inviting someone to attack, then you are doing the legal things, because you are trying to check the vulnerability or the strongness of your system. That is what the ethical things comes into picture, that is the unethical and the ethical. Okay, hope you understand this. That is when the hacking becomes legal, if and only if the hacking is done with the permission of the system owner. Okay, this is the ethical thing related to the related to the hacker and the hacking. Okay, thank you.